I said that already. So these were the first 5 bars. Let me show you what you can expect to learn in this video. Yeah, and so I want you to check that out. Welcome to this video. I want to show you, and I want to now. Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtges, and in this video I want to show you the 4th position of the pentatonic scale. Welcome to this video. In this video, and I show you a finger set for the Lydian mode, so you don't have to always think of the onion mode, the onion mode, the onion. Of the A string.
Ich habe Not the Rose an Sohn auf Apple Music nicht
Thank you, Siri. 3 and 4 and 1 and... Sorry. I just... it up. Down, up. Sorry. Whee! Open D string. That was an open D string, Hannes. No, I don't think so. I hope you learned something in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to drive me an email. You could also drive me the mail to my home or just send me an email. You know, the things that go on between... Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes, as you probably know, and today I want to show you a beautiful chord progression you can do with just two fingers. Thanks for tuning in. Have fun with this rhythm. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannes Knechtges. I actually cannot spell my own name right, so I'm Hannes for you. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I said that already. Bye.